anak si Nathaniel Novales, usa siya ka CP disability.
Ang problem sa iya isa iyang paglakaw sa iyang orto sa mga kabukugan niya sa iyang
Kondisyon ni cerebral palsy. Ugat na jud kay ni siya pasat na kanon.
and nami diri karon kay isa mi sa nahatagan og gift sa RCBD.
The Rotary Club of Downtown Davao is beyond grateful to the Rotary Foundation for the support and approval of this district grant. This project is a testament of our continued efforts in creating meaningful and substantial service projects for the community.
I welcome each and every one of you in this significant milestone, this very inspiring occasion, the turnover ceremony of the Rotary's gift of mobility.
Our learners with disabilities often face numerous challenges that hinder their access to education, mobility, and social participation. The provision of these pedia wheelchairs will significantly enhance their mobility, allowing them to attend school more comfortably and independently.
Dako kayo ni siya tabang para sa labi na sa kuha, isip-isip inahan ni Nathaniel kay tungod. Si Nathaniel dili pa siya kayo kalakaw og tarong.
Nako siya makatabang tungod kay dili na maglisod si Lovie sa iyang paglakaw tungod kay nana siya ng wheelchair.
To our beneficiaries, you deserve the opportunity to learn, grow, and participate fully in your educational journey. With these wheelchairs, we wish to empower you to move freely and confidently to a future filled with hope and success.
Today serve as a powerful reminder that we can achieve when we work together. From the bottom of my heart, of our hearts,